Hey, Emeko Sai here, and I want to give you 10 tips on what it takes to make your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing. So tip number one is you have to decide, are you going to do fiction or nonfiction publishing? Both have their advantages, both have their disadvantages. Take a look at fiction, for example. Fiction publishing allows you to scale up on Amazon a lot higher in terms of revenue and income than traditional nonfiction publishing will. But fiction publishing also has a lot higher upfront costs, and it's way more competitive than its counterpart in the nonfiction world. Where nonfiction, cost of entry is a lot lower, competition is definitely not as fierce, and you're able to scale up to $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a month fairly easy with nonfiction publishing. Where the two really differ is fiction publishing will allow you to scale up only on Amazon to 50, 60, 70, or even the low six figures a month just using your Amazon traffic. Whereas to get those numbers with nonfiction publishing, you really need to focus on building your email list and promoting outside products, affiliate products off Amazon to build a business to that level. Either way you cut it, fiction or nonfiction, both are phenomenal ways to get started with Kindle publishing. Pick one, don't try to intermix the two. Pick one and then just go with it full steam ahead. Hey, so if you want more great tips like this, be sure to check out my free book, The Self-Publishing Blueprint. It's free. I've printed about 500 of these, so get them while you can. Just cover the shipping, and if you're outside of the States, well, you can get the ebook version as well. Both links are going to be down in the description, so go check those out. Till next time, everyone, I hope to help you hit your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing.